This is a long-established golf club. It was founded in 1893. It's a par 70 golf course and known as one of the most challenging golf courses in the area. Our cost base over the past few years has obviously risen in line with what's gone on in the world. Energy prices increased exponentially here. We heard from Aston University about the decarbonisation net zero programme. We were then fortunate to have an energy survey conducted by Aston University, who identified two main areas. One, with our cutting fleet, moving to electric mowers, and two, looking at our kitchen equipment and maybe some of the equipment behind the bar. By achieving a grant to help us do this, it's enabled us to put two electric greens mowers in and remove another diesel mower from our fleet. Not only because of the carbon reduction and cutting down the fuel that we use in terms of diesel, but they also allow us to reduce the noise because we are surrounded by a lot of houses, and we can now bring those pieces of equipment out to cut the greens very early in the morning from 6 onwards because of the noise, whereas in the past we could only use our greens mowers from 8:30 in the morning. The benefits of introducing two electric greens mowers allows us to save 21,400 kilowatt hours per annum and an annual cost reduction for us of £3,210. This is a huge benefit to the golf club financially and also helps us move towards our net zero target. Aston University are experts in what they do, provide a service that we couldn't otherwise do ourselves, and are able to calculate the benefits that come from doing some of the things that we're doing, which people don't realise.